Okay, so we left off with the previous equation, and now we want to solve for big Y of s. So we're going to go through and divide both sides by the s squared minus 2s plus 1. And that's going to take us to big Y of s is equal to the fraction negative 2s cubed plus 7s squared minus 7s plus 28 over the product s squared plus 4 times s squared minus 2s plus 1. And for that second factor down there, you might want to think about completing the square, but you will notice that it's actually factorable as just s minus 1 times itself. So that's actually y of s is equal to negative 2s cubed plus 7s squared minus 7s plus 28 over the product s minus 1, s minus 1, and s squared plus 4. So now we have to use partial fractions to break this up. And because we have a repeated linear factor, we're going to have an a over an s minus 1, and now a b over an s minus 1 squared, and then a cs plus d over s squared plus 4 for that quadratic factor. And now if we multiply through by the LCD, we'll have a negative 2s cubed plus 7s squared minus 7s plus 28 is equal to a times s minus 1 times s squared plus 4 plus b times the s squared plus 4, and then the cs plus d times the s minus 1 squared. Okay, so from here, we need to now go through and multiply out that entire right-hand side, and it's going to be a lot of work, but we're up for it. So we're going to have a negative 2s cubed plus 7s squared minus 7s plus 28 is equal to a times s cubed plus 4as, and then we're going to have a minus as squared, and then plus 4as, and then a bs squared, and a 4b, and then we're going to have the cs plus d times the s squared minus 2s plus 1. And those last two terms there, just to make things a little easier for ourselves, are going to be cs cubed minus 2cs squared and 0 plus cs squared plus cs, and then plus ds squared minus 2sd plus a d. So now I have to go through and combine like terms, and we will do that in the next video.